This is a 2010 Toyota RAV4 Sport. It has a magnetic gray metallic exterior and a dark charcoal interior with the Sport trim level. It was a local trade and a non-smoker owned vehicle. It has a V6 cylinder engine with 269 horsepower that gets 26 mpg on the highway and 19 mpg in the city. Some of the many features on this quality used car include a CARFAX 4x4, head airbag, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, MP3 player, and keyless entry. Drive with confidence because this RAV4 has a 5-star driver front crash rating and a 5-star driver's side crash rating. Shop for affordable used cars at Fisher Auto in Boulder.